What land title does it have? It is the first question smart investors ask when they see beautiful property in Nigeria. But here is the scary truth. A fake C of O can look exactly like a real one to the untrained eye. If you are in the UK, the US, or Canada, and you are sending your hard-earned money home to invest, you cannot afford to skip these steps. Many diaspora buyers rely entirely on the word of a relative or a flashy Instagram video, but layout designs and perimeter fencing don't equal ownership in Nigeria. Land ownership is strictly defined by the Land Use Act of 1978, which vests all urban land in the state governor. If the paperwork at the state level isn't tied to your seller, you are essentially throwing thousands of dollars into a black hole. Today, I'm taking you behind the scene of real estate due diligence. We are not just talking about what a title is. I'm showing you exactly how to verify it. Because at Maduana Homes, we believe peace of mind investment starts with the truth. Due diligence is a non-negotiable process that protects you from litigation, double allocation, and government demolition. When we check a document, we don't just look at the surface. We trace the historical roots of the title to ensure it hasn't been revoked, mortgaged to a bank as a collateral, or locked up in a family legal battle. First, let's talk about the gold standard. Government allocation, Certificate of Occupancy, C of O. When you hear this, you usually breathe a sigh of relief. Why? Because it means the government has officially recognized the land. But even then, you must verify. A C of O is only valid for 99 years. And you need to understand how much of that lease is left. Furthermore, just because the seller holds up C of O booklet doesn't mean it belongs to that specific piece of land. There are cases where individuals use genuine C of O from a completely different location to sell an uncommitted, unexcised village land to unsuspecting buyers. Step 1. The land registry. If you are looking at land in Lagos, that means a trip to Alausa. But you can't just walk in and ask. You need a letter of authority from the property owner. This letter gives you or your lawyer a legal right to conduct a search. If a developer or a seller is hesitant to give you this letter, that is your first red flag. Once your real estate lawyer gains access to the land registry, they will look through the registry book to cross-check the registration number, the page, and the volume. This search uncovers the true registered owner and reveals any hidden encumbrances, such as whether this property is subject to a court injunction or ongoing dispute or an active bank charge. Step 2 is where most people get caught. You need to verify the coordinates. Just because a document says plot 5 does not mean that the physical land you are standing on is actually plot 5. You need a registered surveyor to take the coordinates from the site and chart them at the Surveyor General's office. This confirms that the land is not under government acquisition or overlapping someone else's property.